Imagine spending hours layering your pastels, choosing the perfect colors, adding depth, shaping highlights, only to have it ruined in seconds by your own fingers. It sounds crazy, but it's one of the most common mistakes pastel artists make. At first, finger blending looks smooth and natural, but over time the colors lose brightness, details blur, and the highlights turn muddy, all because of this one small habit. And the mistake is blending pastels using your fingers. And I get it, it feels natural. You're in control, you can feel the paper's texture, and it seems like the fastest way to smooth things out. But here's the catch. Your fingertips aren't clean tools. They are full of natural oils, tiny traces of sweat, and even microscopic dirt you aren't able to see. And those oils, they don't play nicely with pastel pigments. Instead of creating smooth, vibrant blends, they break down the pigment layer, leaving behind muddy colors, greasy patches, and textures that refuse to layer properly. So what feels like control in the moment is actually slowly sabotaging your artwork. Here's the science behind it. Pastels are almost pure pigment with very little binder. When your natural skin oils mix in, they break down the pigment layer. This leads to dull, muddy colors, smudged highlights, and uneven textures. Tiny details like the shimmer in the eye, strands of fur, or fabric folds can get lost completely. It's like adding water to chalk. It spreads uncontrollably and loses its brightness. Just look at this comparison. The left side was blended with fingers and the right side with latex gloves. Can you see the difference? Muddy highlights, blurry edges, and lost texture on the left, while the right side is vibrant, sharp, and detailed. Finger oils don't just blend. They hijack your color. The fix is surprisingly simple. Latex gloves. Just like a professional chef uses gloves to keep your food clean, you can also use gloves to keep your pastel clean. They prevent oils from touching the pigment, so your highlights stay bright, edges stay crisp, and fine details are preserved. Go for thin, powder-free disposable gloves. They are super cheap, about $10–15 for a pack of 100. You can grab them at any drugstore, Amazon, or sometimes even at art supply stores. And don't worry, they don't affect the pastel pigment at all. Now let's have a look at some pros and cons of using latex gloves. The pros are: they keep your artwork clean, they prevent smudging, they are cheap and widely available, they are easy to replace if they get dirty, and the cons are: they feel less tactile than bare fingers, and they aren't eco-friendly. Of course, there are other blending tools like tortillons, soft tools, and eyeshadow sponges, but this video is strictly about why finger blending is a mistake and how gloves can solve it. Just think of gloves as the secret weapon for precise, clean blending. Alright, let's put this to test on one of my older pastel drawings. I added extra pigment to both sides so there's enough color on the paper to blend properly. On the left side, I'm going to blend using just my finger, the way most people do without even thinking about it. Just watch closely as the pastel goes down. At first, it looks smooth, but notice how quickly the colors start to lose their brightness. The edges get blurry, the details disappear, and the texture of the paper begins to flatten. This is exactly what happens when finger oils mix with pastel pigment. Now, on the right side, I'm blending using latex gloves. Same motions, same pastel, and same pressure. But look at the difference. The colors stay vibrant, the transitions are clean, and the fine details remain sharp. No oils, no greasy patches, and no unexpected smudges. Just a clean, controlled blending. And now let's evaluate the final comparison. The left side has been blended using a finger, and it turned out dull and smudged. And on the right side, I've used gloves to blend, and the result is vibrant, crisp, and more professional. It's a night and day difference. Gloves give you control, preserve color, and keep your pastel artwork looking sharp from the first layer to the final detail. This small change makes a huge difference. So remember, Finger blending transfers oils, dulls colors, and ruins textures. But luckily, gloves solve it. If this tip helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below if you are going to try these gloves on your next pastel drawing. Keep creating and keep your colors vibrant. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.